Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize TD Bank digital wallets for EV charging apps, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have the TD Bank mobile app installed on your device. Open the TD Bank app and log in using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings menu. In the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Digital Wallets or Payment Methods. Tap on this option to view. Select the digital wallet you wish to authorize for your EV charging app. Follow the prompts to link your TD Bank account with the chosen digital wallet. You may be required to enter your account details or verify your identity for security purposes. Once you've completed the verification process, your digital wallet will be linked to your TD Bank account. Next, open your preferred EV charging app. In the app, navigate to the Payment Settings or Payment Methods section. Look for the option to add a new payment method. Choose the linked digital wallet you just authorized through the TD Bank app. Confirm your selection and follow any additional prompts to finalize the setup. After successful integration, you should receive a confirmation message within both the charging app and TD Bank app. Now, you are ready to use your digital wallet for EV charging transactions. It is important to monitor your transactions through both the charging app and your TD Bank account for any discrepancies. If you encounter any issues, revisit the TD Bank app to ensure your wallet is still authorized. Additionally, check the EV charging app to make sure the payment method is set up correctly. With your digital wallet successfully authorized, enjoy the convenience of seamless EV charging payments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.